Hello guys, today I've got the JBL Quantum 650 and I'm going to show you how to fix the Bluetooth pairing issues in this device. So, the first thing and the most important thing is that you need to, and first, if you have already paired with your headphones, or if the sound doesn't work, or if you somehow have them here, forget them. It works the same on both Android and iPhone devices, so don't worry. Once you have it forgotten, turn off your phone. Turn off your phone for a moment and then go to your headphones. Turn them off using this switch, and once they are turned off, take out the battery from them. How to do so, you may ask me. Take this, here, this pad out. It's magnetic, and now take this battery like this. Now wait 10, 20, maybe 30 seconds until plugging your battery back again. This should fix your issue. If it didn't fix your issue still, we need to search for next thing. Let me plug in battery in there. Let me place it somehow. And now we should be done. If it still didn't fix your issue, try to pair your headphones with different device, like with a different phone. If it works with different phone or a different device, you need to fix your phone. Your phone has to be fixed, can be fixed in many ways, and you can check for the videos about your phone probably on our channel, because we have recorded almost every single device on the planet. Not a flex, but you can check that out. And if it still doesn't work when you pair your headphones with different device, the issue is with your headphones. And what you can do now, try to plug your headphones to the battery and try to charge them up to 100%. This should make your issue be fixed. If it still doesn't work for you, you need to contact device support to have your issue fixed, because there is no such way, physical, hardware, and just every way to have it fixed. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.